Here are the best technique to lose 10 pounds in just 1 week. Decreasing your carb admission can prompt a lot of weight reduction, from both muscle to fat ratio and abundance water weight. Eating more protein additionally makes a difference. To accomplish the 10-pound (4.5 kilograms) objective, you should attempt to eat just entire food sources during this week. Base the majority of your eating routine on lean protein and low-carb veggies. Lessening your calorie admission is a crucial factor for weight reduction. You may have to do this forcefully to lose such a lot of weight in only multi-week. Lifting loads and doing extreme focus stretches are among the most ideal approaches to shed pounds and drain muscle glycogen stores. They can likewise support your digestion and give different advantages. Expanding your everyday movement is an extraordinary method to consume additional calories and lose more weight. Discontinuous fasting is a phenomenal technique to lessen calorie allow and get thinner. Alternate approaches to lose water weight incorporate enhancing with dandelion extricate, drinking espresso and maintaining a strategic distance from food sources you are bigoted to.